Welcome back. Happy Vlogmas week 2. I'm about to go to work right now, but I'm gonna stop in Albert Heijn and grab my lunch and I think a Red Bull because I just need a little kick of energy. Let's get this 9 to 5 done for the day. And just like that, I'm clocked out. Just like that, I went through a whole shift. Honestly, today went by super quick, which I'm so grateful for. I love it when work days go by really fast. I will say though, it does kind of make me sad that now that social media isn't my main priority, it does make me sad because I feel like it does kind of show a little bit in my content. Like, there's so many things I want to do, but now time is of the essence. So on my day off this week, you guys best believe I'm putting it to full use for Vlogmas. Okay, we're going to go see some Christmas themed fun stuff because one, it's my first holiday season living in the Netherlands, so I think it's really cool to be able to actually go and seek out seeing all of this Christmas stuff. Two, someone from my college is going to be in town. Anyone who knows about GCU knows it really is like a ginormous family, and it is a super small world. Even though it's like a big campus, there's a ton of people that go there. It's such a small world and everyone knows each other. It'll be really nice, I feel like, to hang out with somebody that knows the vibes. You know what I mean? You know that feeling when you've been wearing your makeup all day and you're like itching to take it off? That's how I feel right now. I also put the scalp oil in this morning to do my slick back, so I'm gonna wash my hair too. So I'm gonna take my makeup off, take a shower. I did my nails yesterday. French tip, I've been missing a French tip moment, and I'm so happy with how they turned out. I'm gonna take a shower and I'll be right back.
Sleigh bells ring, heaven shine, where magic such a timeless rhyme. A world adorned in sparkling snow, carols hum as the night takes flight. Sleigh bells ring, heaven shine, where magic such a timeless rhyme. A world adorned in sparkling snow, carols hum as the night takes flight.
Wait, I can change the light. You guys, I accidentally showed up to work 3 hours before my shift starts, and I had to get up at 5:30 in the morning, and I had to drag my ass out of bed. Like, I slept so bad, literally was contemplating life, but I got up and I did it, and I made it to work 30 minutes early to find out that I was actually 3 hours and 30 minutes early. So pros about getting to work 3 hours early is I can lay in an oxygen chamber and sleep until I start my shift. So that is what we're doing right now. But how slay is this? Okay, health, okay, anti-aging, I'm all for it. Anyway, good night, y'all. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'll see y'all at noon. Are my eyelashes still frozen?
Sleigh bells ring, heaven shine.
I just got off my shift that I showed up so early to. Anyway, long day, and I do have a quick turnaround because I do have to be there again in the morning tomorrow. But when I found out this news, I had plans with Keynes and his friend to meet up with them in Amsterdam, and then I texted him and was like, oh sorry, I can't come because I work late and then I have to go and get up early, so I think I'm just gonna go home. And then while I was working, I was like, wait, what am I doing? I literally moved to Amsterdam. I'm gonna suck it up. If I don't sleep that much tonight, it's fine because I have a few days off in a row after to catch up on sleep. So I'm toughing it out. We're gonna go meet them right now.
Where magic such a timeless rhyme.
Keenan got a Dubai chocolate bar.
Oh, that's the fun out, the sticker. Yeah.
And I've been waiting months for this moment. Oh no, it's cracked.
So what did we do? Something gold, we would have got something designer for free. By the way, you double checked?
I don't know, it looks not right, but.
World adorned in sparkling snow, herald some as the night takes flight.